So things keep getting worse for Mpumi Bafethu. It's getting even more worse. Kuyabheda ngalena kuMpumi. Guys, we understand that because the last episode uGabriel ufile laphana wazothi mina contract yakhe yase Revelation telling her ukuthi she is not allowed to work lapha in Revelation angabe salibhada, she mustn't set foot lapha Revelation. Namhlanje it's another issue and situation. She is getting evicted from apartment ahlala kuyona le ayithengela uGabriel because uGabriel, when they were still in a relationship, Gabriel bought Mpumi apartment, so she got an eviction letter from someone, we understand, a delivery guy to come and deliver those letters kuMpumi, you understand, and it was kind of shocker to when deny Mpumi ukuthi uxoshiwe, uyaxoshwa lapha noMpumi, she is not wanted kulama areas awe apartment adehlala kuyona, so she must pack up and leave because uGabriel akasafuni lutho elizomhlanganisa noMpumi. I'm quite happy, honestly, you understand that. Ngiyazi ukuthi I'm getting off topic ngama personal views but I'm very happy ukuthi ekugcineni amehlo kaMpumi ayavuleka because uGabriel wasn't the person that she thought she was. But moving on, uMpumi thinks ukuthi uFelicia is written all over this. Felicia is the reason why Mpumi is losing everything, you understand. So I wonder what plan she has Felicia ngoba nje belokhu ecabanga Felicia. She mentioned Felicia's name, understand, so she might have known something, or she might know something that happened between Felicia and Gabriel upon when they went out to the resorts for anniversary. So moving on, to the lovers meet up uBongo noMaruna, you understand, but uMaruna has news for uBongo regarding the Gospel Institute Africa Ghana, the offer that she got from Mutani. So Maruna tells uBongo ukuthi she will be leaving the country kuzoya eGhana, you understand. So uBongo did not actually like it. He did not like hearing these kind of words lapana kuye, because uBongo was expecting a lot from the both of them. Okay, they're having a solid relationship ever since Owethu left. uBongo has had like a good relationship no Maruna, yeah, understand. And Maruna fought for the relationship. So sekuvele lithuba leli Bafethu, uMaruna is telling Bongo ukuthi yena she took the opportunity, you understand, and uyahamba and nothing is gonna stop her. So uBongo questioned uMaruna ukuthi if uhamba, you are really leaving, why are you leaving, and what is she saying about the relationship? Putting a relationship yabo, what is she saying about the both of them? We understand that because they have built so much, yabona, and uBongo is willing to work with Maruna instead of in terms of music kwakhe, and also be in a relationship with Maruna for the longest of time. But at the same time, there is a sudden switch up manje ukuthi Maruna has to leave the country, yabona, and uBongo akakazi ukuthi deal i-orchestrate uFelicia, you understand. But ke ngoba uMaruna umtshelile ukuthi she is leaving the country, he has to understand, and Maruna kushilo uBongo ukuthi she needs to choose herself and start again, you understand. Leaving uBongo very disappointed, because uBongo was very disappointed having to hear those words. So moving on, Bafethu, uFistozi is a bit disappointed nge-relationship yakhe benoMercedes, because remember the last episode, guys, uNandi Pufile wazophazamisa lapha naye. uMercedes ke Bafethu uphumile kuFistozi, understand. uMercedes ke was disappointed uFistozi because she felt as if uFistozi is wasting her time, yabona. Kanti ke mabezonza something, uNandipa is always there to intercept and interject whatever they're trying to do. So uFistozi is trying to move on from uNandi kodwa ufuna uMercedes, and uNandi is still fighting for uFistozi, you understand. So uFistozi is getting a notification lapha efonini, but before that uyile lapha nayo umcingo Mercedes, you understand. Wathola uBlue who had a crush on Ishmael. So uBlue told uFistozi ukuthi uMercedes akekho, but ke uFistozi felt like uBlue was lying. So Fistos is getting a message, and nobody wants to be Bafethu. Ishmael is reading the message, understand? It's a message, Fistos must stay away from Mercedes, and Fistos must delete the number, Mercedes, understand? So Fistos couldn't actually understand the message, so Ishmael had to read it out for him. I'm telling Ishmael ukuthi Mercedes akasafuni lutho ehlanganiswe nawe, understand? So Fistos must stay away from Mercedes because Mercedes does not want Fistos and wants Fistos to delete her number. So continuing, Bafethu, Mpumi is on a mission. She is about to cook up a war, and I'm not sure if she's gonna win this war, but it looks like she's not giving up on anything regarding Gabriel. So she called the resort that they went to for a young weekend holiday. Understand that? Because remember, Gabriel, Bano, Felicia went out on a little holiday, a weekend holiday, lapana to the resort to celebrate their 16th or what anniversary, their relationship anniversary. Understand? So Mpumi is calling these people, understand, acting as EPR ka Gabriel. Yabo, wabatshela ukuthi they must give her every detail of what happened lapana and pictures of what happened lapana kwi resort that weekend. You understand? So moving on ke bafethu, Wendy still believes ukuthi Mpumi is gonna build her that house, because Mpumi now kuyambhedela izinto, and I don't think she's gonna still have the money to build that house. Amthembise wona Wendy. So Wendy is in that call nje abantu bona lapha nesombeni ukuthi call, she wants a mansion, she wants a double story house. Yabo, ufuna ikhandiwe ngalendlela afuna ngayo yena. But at the same time, I don't think she is aware ukuthi Mpumi izambhedela. You understand? I don't think that money is gonna last, because Mpumi is not gonna get sense from revelation since exoshiwe. So in the middle of the call, uyafika uMaruna laphana. uMaruna ke, I think she wants to deliver the news to the family. So she requested kuWendy ukuthi abize a family meeting. Yabo, she must call a family meeting. There's an announcement that she wants to issue out to the family, and uyafuna ukutshela umndeni wonke ukuthi yena she is ready to leave for Ghana, yabona, regarding a deal ne-offer ayitholile kwi-Gospel Institute to be a scout laphana and be the CEO of talent, gospel talent laphana, or music talent eGhana. So uMaruna ke drops the news to Wendy, yabona, and requests Wendy ukuthi ayibize the family meeting. Understand? And Wendy ke is curious, yabo, suspicious ukuthi there might be something wrong that's happening, but ke ayikho into wrong eyenzakalayo laphana. Understand? And she even thought ukuthi uMaruna is pregnant. Understand? Because she was gonna be mad ukuthi uMaruna is pregnant ngengane kaBonko, because Wendy futhi abafuna abantu bakaThabethe. We all know ukuthi nje she has the ego over abantu bakaThabethe. So Wendy ke ushilo ukuthi uzoyibiza ke meeting ke. So moving on ke bafethu, as you can see in the picture, uNandi benoNobuhle are going to apartment ka Ishmael Fistos, understand? So they arrive with imoto kaNobuhle, but they were stopped by security. So security is recognizing Nandi's face and telling uNandi ukuthi she is not welcome lapana, because Fistos issued a protection order against uNandi. So Fistos akafuni lutho, yabo, akafuni lutho nje azoyibona kuNandi. You understand? So Fistos made it clear ukuthi yena akasamfuni uNandi. So security ke bafethu lihlona ngeke lize limngenise uNandi ngoba akafuneki kwi-premises. You understand? So they had to Uber uNandi back home. You understand? So nobody had to Uber uNandi. You understand? Because uNandi akafunakala lapha kwi-apartment, because Fistos was the one who distributed lamaphepha lawana esho ukuthi uNandi is a psycho. uNandi mustn't enter the premises. So security bafethu baxoshile, and they had a plan. I think bafaka uNandi ebhuthini, but we're gonna speak about it later. So continuing bafethu, Mpumi is not giving up. Mpumi is fighting. So she went to confront uBonko, yabona, ayomtshela ukuthi yena ufuna ukuba sethimini eyodwa noBonko to take down uGabriel Gigaba. But ke uBonko has been pushing uMpumi away, as we also bafethu. uBonko nje akafuni ukuthi izomhlanganisa noMpumi, simply because naye uMpumi was one team noGabriel at once. Understand? So uBonko is telling uMpumi ukuthi yena akahlangene nezindaba yabo zakhe noGabriel. Whatever she is doing noGabriel akahlangene nazo, even though yena angamfuni uGabriel, but akahlangene nezindaba zabo. Understand? But uMpumi bafethu ulethe knowledge, ulethe indaba laphana regarding that weekend that Felicia and Gabriel went out on. You understand? Because these people went out on the weekend, yabo. So ulethe lezo indaba lezo ke laphana kuBonko, yabo. Ufuna ukuthi amtshele uBonko ukuthi kwenzakaleni. He wants to provide evidence to uBonko regarding that weekend, ukuthi kwenzakalani kula weekend. So I'm guessing ukuthi kuBonko ke was trying to call security, yabo, but it was too late for him to call security, simply because uMpumi had evidence on her phone, yabo, regarding what happened. You understand? So uMpumi bafethu simply and finally gave uBonko a phone for Bonko to look at the picture himself, because the time he was in Cape Town noMaruna bezikhipha nangandlela kuGabriel naye futhi uFelicia, you can see the face of Bonko. He is shocked, yabo, astonished, yabo, doesn't believe ukuthi laba bantu bahambile ngempela, understand. So finally uMpumi caught Bonko's attention, yabo. So moving on ke bafethu, uMafitsoto ke is shocked to see uNandi inside the premises. So I don't know how Nandi came in the premises because bekumele bam-Uberishe ekhaya uNandi. She had to return home because she is not allowed to see Mafistos since Mafistos issued a protection order ukuthi yena akafuni ukumbona uNandi is dangerous kuyena. And uFistos ke bafethu ke uyamsaba uNandi ever since uNandi washo ukuthi she is gonna stalk uMafistos, understand. Noma bethi uyalala uzobe khona uNandi, noma kuthiwa eshaweni ukhona uNandi, you understand. So uFistos is not happy to see uNandi bafethu, and this thing is getting really, really serious because uNandi is fighting for the relationship, yabo, and she's not backing down. But uFistos bafethu yena akamfuni uNandi, uyifunela uMercedes. So as you can see, uFistos ubusiness phone ufuna ukufuna security, and uNandi is begging her, yabo, please, for her not to call security, yabo. So akafuni ukuthi akafonele i-security, you understand, because ufuna ukuthi bakhulume ba-resolve izinto. But still I don't think uFistos listen to uNandi. I don't think so ukuthi he listen to uNandi because lo mjidelo akamfuni ngempela, you understand, and it's very sad for uNandi. But moving on ke, as you can see the picture bafethu, uNandi ubanje ukuthi ube khona lapha apartment kaIshmael noFistos. So what happened was they acted like they are Ubering uNandi home, kanti uNandi ufakwe ebhuthini, you understand, because the car stopped lapha egate. So apparently ngesikhathi bengena uNandi was in the boot, you understand. So uNandi acted like she wasn't there present before they went in, kanti usebhuthini uNandi, you understand. So uNobuhle had orchestrated the plan, yabo, because she also teamed up noNandi in terms of like getting in uNandi lapha kwi-apartment. And uMafistos ke bafethu uyasho ukuthi yena akamfuni uNandi, uyacela ukuthi bamkhiphe lapha kwi-premises kwi-apartment. Ukhisha ama-security ke lapho uNandi, noma nimbona she is judged by security, understand. And uMafistos is also angry at Nobuhle ukuthi usile for bringing in uNandi because akafuni ukumbona uNandi. That's his plea and no one understands that, you understand. So continuing bafethu, uThandi noMaruna are sitting together. I think they're officializing and finalizing yabo uhambo lakaMaruna, because Maruna has agreed bafethu to go. She has signed the papers and it's official, you understand. So uThandi is gonna go there once in a while to actually support the program, yabo, support Maruna, but Maruna is gonna run the program lapana eGhana, you understand. So Maruna bafethu is given Wednesday. So namhlanje Wednesday, so I think next week Wednesday Maruna kumele ngabe uyahamba uyale eGhana. She doesn't have time. So Maruna was shocked ukuthi why the sudden transformation and why so soon ukuthi ahambe, because she thought ukuthi she's gonna stay for like a month or two and then prepare herself to go. But it seems as if uMaruna kumele ahambe Wednesday. She has days left, not even months left to leave. So she has to leave very sooner than she thought she's gonna leave, you understand. So it didn't sit well with her, honestly, but she has to agree, yabona, because obviously uthanda bafethu uthunyiwe lapha uFelicia, so the mission has to be very, very fast, understand, before uMaruna changes her mind, you understand. And the reason for Maruna to change her mind might be uBonko, you understand, because Maruna, guys, not so long ago requested kuBonko ukuthi uyacela ukuthi abuye Genesis, noBonko amtshela ukuthi not now because there are problems there. So bafethu kusazoshuba laphana, it's bad. And as you can see, ubuso bukaBonko bafethu, this guy is disappointed after the news he got from uMpumi regarding umamakhe noGabriel, because lo mkhida akamthanda uGabriel, yabona, and the whole family does not like uGabriel. But it's very confusing ukuthi uFelicia agreed to go and sleep with uGabriel that night. They went out on the weekend to celebrate their anniversary. So uFelicia ke bafethu tried to lie, you understand, kuBonko, because the last time uBonko embuza ukuthi ubeyowenzani kule weekend, because naye ubengekho, understand, as he saw ngama-suitcase ukuthi uFelicia ubehambile and usebuyile. So uFelicia has been saying ukuthi she went to get a young retreat, understand. She went to get like a relaxation, yabona, from all the tension that has been happening. So we really plan to get a young retreat, but ngokubona kwami vele it wasn't true, yabona. So Bonko is cooking up uFelicia ngembuzo ukuthi why kuphi ngale weekend, why hambe nobani, we understand. wayehambe ne-twin kaGabriel yini, you understand? So Felicia is also confused ukuthi why bonke lokho embuza le mbuzo le, why embuza le mbuzo, because naye Felicia tried lying, but hey lutho, this time around there's also evidence, you understand? Uthe nje saphika nje uFelicia wakhipha ifoni uBok, uma ikhipha ifoni washo ukuthi i-retreat yiyo yini lena, emkhomba isithombe sakhe noGabriel. So bafethu, I can't wait to see the next episode ukuthi kuzowenzakalani bafethu between Felicia noBonko. How is Felicia gonna take this and how Bonko is gonna take this, because Felicia lied all along but kept on judging uBonko noMaroon. So bafethu, this is what happened kule episode namhlanje. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.